Well, good day, and welcome to the KiwiCarLife 100 subscriber special behind the scenes video. So the main jobs for today are to write the script and the music and work out the remaining shots that I need to film tomorrow. And take a look at what just arrived in the mail today. Finally, we have some LED lights for my scooter. But the job for this morning at least is to go and help out my friends with some music that they're writing down at school. G'day lads. Go on lad. Put all that gym workout to use. The auto-tune is so good. See you lads. I'll stick my head. This guy's gonna be getting my scooter in a minute. What do you reckon? Pretty good. Yeah. Go on Matt, steal my scooter.
How does this thing work? Isn't that power?
Yes, but to do that you have to pull something else. No, not the key. It's gonna take you a little while to get going, isn't it? Every time you get on it's like, oh, what do I do?
Well, that's why you pull that, no?
No. No. There we go. I just finished installing the LED lights. And check it out. We've got a working LED brake light. But sadly, because this doesn't like LED lights, the indicators don't work yet. So we've got to go down to the auto parts store to pick up a new LED flasher. Who would have thought it would take that much effort to get a little LED flasher? Been to 2 different auto parts stores and an electrician, and they didn't have anything that will work. So I bought one that's kind of light, and I'm just going to try and sort of bodge it together hopefully. I think I've only got 70 cents. Hi there, can I get a soft serve cone please? $1. Ice creams are getting expensive. $1. Thank you. Look at that. Finally, after all day working on this thing, the LED indicators work. Well, today is the day. Film day. We've got the script and a few extras and another extra. We're ready to record the voiceovers. I've got all my camera gear and we'll be good to go. Doing a lot of filming today. Engine's pretty warm, but the video is coming along nicely. Well, my GoPro just fell off the back of the car. This is the remains of the mount. It's all fallen to pieces. The suction mount failed. I was recording the exhaust clip and I turned the GoPro back on, and classic GoPro, it keeps working, but absolute disaster has happened here. I don't do this often, but here we go. seats in Mum's driving position. Check it out, we're in the slow-mobile. This one, you can Bluetooth your phone to it, so to me that's more important. I'm blinded by the sun. Let's get going. Here's the new mount to replace the old battered one. Right, I think I need a bit of a break from all this, so I'm going to head out with some people from my youth group. We're going to go out for dinner and then have a pretty awesome time at the escape room. It was a pretty awesome night out, but at the same time a little bit scary because we finished up just after 10, which meant that I couldn't drive home, so my youth leader had to sit in the passenger seat while I drove back. But it was alright, we had a good chat about life. Now here we are at the end of my 2 active learning days. All the footage is done for the 4 videos that I've just about produced. Thank you guys very much for watching this slightly impromptu and a little bit different, shall we say, video. And I will see you guys in the next episode. See you later.